Hawaii remains one of America's most iconic regions for premium pineapple cultivation. Costa Rica is one of the world's leading exporters of fresh pineapple. The Philippines is a major global producer of tropical pineapples. Thailand is a major pineapple growing nation with a long tradition of tropical fruit production. At this scale, pineapple farming becomes a remarkable global agricultural industry. MD2 is one of the world's most commercially important premium pineapple varieties. Smooth Cayenne remains a globally recognized variety for fresh fruit and processing.
Queen pineapple is prized for its intense sweetness, aroma, and distinctive tropical flavor.
Sugarloaf pineapple is celebrated for its exceptionally sweet and tender flesh.
Red Spanish is a traditional pineapple variety. It is valued for its distinctive color and resilient fruit.
Pineapple is naturally rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient for the body.
Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme, studied for its role in digestion.
Pineapple provides antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Pineapple is also a useful natural source of manganese, a mineral essential for normal body function.
Naturally sweet and nutrient-rich, pineapple is one of the world's most versatile tropical fruits.
Thailand's pineapple industry combines massive plantations with advanced industrial processing. Costa Rica has built a powerful pineapple industry, serving markets around the world.
The Philippines processes enormous volumes of tropical pineapple for domestic and global markets.
Modern pineapple factories transform massive harvests into products ready for global distribution. Welcome to the NECTIVO Pineapple Juice Factory, where the journey from fresh fruit to premium juice begins. Freshly harvested pineapples begin their journey at the factory receiving dock. Each pineapple is unloaded and loaded carefully to protect its quality before processing.
Strict inspection ensures only suitable pineapples enter the juice production line. Automated sorting creates a consistent flow of premium fruit for production. A thorough wash removes surface impurities before the fruit moves deeper into production.
Precision peeling removes the tough skin while preserving valuable pineapple flesh.
Automated cutting removes the crown and core before the golden fruit enters extraction. Controlled crushing releases the pineapple's naturally sweet juice and aroma. Advanced extraction captures the pineapple's rich natural juice at industrial scale. Separation removes coarse fibers while preparing the juice for fine filtration. Fine filtration creates a smooth and consistent pineapple juice. Automated controls maintain the perfect flow before heat treatment. Controlled pasteurization protects the juice while preserving its quality. Rapid cooling helps preserve the pineapple juice's fresh tropical character. Hygienic temperature-controlled storage protects every batch before bottling.
Every bottle is carefully sterilized before the filling process begins.
Precision filling gives every bottle the exact amount of pineapple juice. Precision sealing locks the fresh juice safely inside every bottle. Automated labeling gives every bottle a clean and consistent presentation. Every bottle receives precise coding for complete production trace-bin traceability. A secure safety seal protects every bottle until it reaches the consumer. Automated packing prepares every bottle for secure transportation. Robotic precision creates stable payable pallets, ready for long-distance distribution. Every finished product passes one final inspection before distribution. Every finished carton waits here for its journey to markets around the world. Every shipment now begins its journey from the factory to markets worldwide. Advanced logistics carry premium pineapple juice across oceans to customers worldwide. After traveling across the world, the finished juice finally reaches the supermarket shelf. The long journey ends when fresh pineapple juice reaches the hands of a customer. From tropical fields to every refreshing glass, excellence begins with the pineapple.